there is the sound every salon owner hates. It's the silence of the phone not ringing on January the 5th. Right now, your salon is packed. You feel rich. But I'm here to tell you the advice you're getting right now is garbage. So stop running discount promos. Stop posting New Year, New You fluff on Instagram. Stop thinking you need to cut down your staff hours and demotivate them. That is amateur advice that kills your cash flow. In my experience, looking at data from thousands of successful salons, the January crash is a choice. You didn't crash because of the economy. You crashed because you didn't trigger the right systems in December. I'm Bartek from Zolmi. Today I'm giving you the 5-step January protocol, the real business system to secure your profit, fill your calendar, and cut the stress from your shoulders. Let's crack on. Step number 1, the booking cycle fix. The first reason I see salons I work with crash in January is the booking cycle gap. Clients finish their holiday appointment and think, I'm all good till Valentine's. I'm all set for 2 months. That's your fixed cost, your overheads, walking out the door. You cannot wait for them to call you back. You must build a bridge while they are sitting in your chair. This is the script I want your team using. Don't ask for the next appointment. Ask for maintenance. For example, your color looks perfect for the holidays. To keep the stones from fading, we need to do a gloss refresh around January the 20th. My evenings are already filling up. Let's secure that spot now so you don't miss out. And the big takeaway from it is if you push just 30% of your December traffic into January, your fixed overheads are covered. That stress is instantly lifted off your shoulders. Step 2, the data activation. We still have gaps. The amateur move is to post, we have openings on social media. Do not post on Instagram or TikTok, you're just guessing there. You don't have to guess. You can be super precise. Go into your Salon software right now. You must filter for clients who haven't visited you in 4+ months, but spent money last winter. These are your ghost clients. You need a focused text campaign. The message: hi, name, I'm planning your January calendar and realized we haven't seen you since month. I have a spot open for a winter refresh. Would you like me to save you one? This is how you use automation to sell. You are solving a problem, not screaming for attention on social. Step number 3, the high margin boost. When volume naturally drops in January, your average ticket value must go up. You must make every client worth more. The mistake is selling more stuff. The clever solution is selling high margin, low time add-ons. This is the silent upgrade. January is the month of repair and hydration. Focus your team on add-ons that solve winter problems. Your team's instruction. Since your hair is dry after winter, I'm adding this conditioning upgrade. It's our January treat to keep your color perfect. And you sell a $25 add-on to half your client. That's thousands in pure profit. And if you're not sure if your prices are set high enough to make these upgrades count, watch my deep dive on salon pricing strategy next. Step number 4, the inventory pivot. The 4th step is a quick win. In December, you sell gift cards. In January, you must sell solutions. On January 2nd, clear the Christmas gifts packs immediately. Move the repair shampoos, deep conditioning masks, antifreeze serums to the front counter. Clients have no money for luxury gifts in January. They have money for problem solving. Match your retail to their pain point. Drive winterize hair and skin. Step number 5, the cash flow discipline. The final step separates the business owners from the hobbies. The 30% cash firewall. When you close your books in December and see that big number, pretend 30% of your revenue doesn't exist. You are moving that 30% to a separate savings account labeled January rent and payroll. The stress you feel in January is the result of stealing cash from your future self in December. Be the disciplined owner who funds January during the feast. Protect your fixed costs first. Okay, let's wrap up. Look, January is the season, but the January crash is a choice. You now have the system. Activate the bridge, filter the ghost, boost the ticket, pivot the retail, and build the cash firewall. If you want to know which of your team members is actually executing these steps and who is letting money walk out the door, you need the right reports. If you want to filter your client list for SMS campaigns, I put a link below on how to pull the lost client report in 3 clicks. Just get the data. Stay fabulous, stay focused, and keep building the salon your clients will love.